This video will examine the stretch command in AutoCAD. The stretch command can be used to change the size of just about anything in AutoCAD. It is located on the Modify panel of the Home tab. Begin by selecting the stretch command. Notice that you get a pick box, which would make you think that you want to actually pick an object. But if I just pick an object, the stretch command is really just the move command. So you don't want to just pick the object. When you pick the stretch command, notice on the command line that it says select objects to stretch by crossing window. A crossing window is one of these that catches one side of the object but does not catch the other side. So if I wanted to stretch this lightsaber and make it longer, I would make a crossing window that catches the small end but not the other end. Once I've selected objects, I can press Enter. It asks me for a base point. From here, it's just like the move command. I can pick any point I want and stretch it out to make your lightsaber activated. Now in this case, I had the ortho turned on, but you don't have to have ortho turned on. If I say stretch, select the objects that I want to stretch, press Enter, pick my base point. If I turn ortho off, I can stretch it in any direction I want. But be aware that it does not recognize tangencies, and it may disform your object. Finally, I'm not just limited to stretching something at the end, I can stretch it in the middle as well. If I come in here to stretch, I could stretch from here to here and make all of these things in the middle bigger or shorter depending on how I want it to look.